Now, as many of you already know that each and every week on Tuesday we get to see the life insurance registration coming from some of our favorite EV stocks like Nio. Well, from the period which started last week, Monday until Sunday, Nio saw total life insurance registrations of around 3,600. Now, these are pretty good insurance registrations because you will notice or realize that other companies like Leodo that sell hybrid cars or mostly hybrid cars, they had over 5,000 insurance registrations while Xpeng had over 1,400. We are seeing Neo yet again continuing to do very well in terms of the life insurance registration. And something that is to note, of course, about last week's life insurance registration is that starting last week on Wednesday, from the 1st to the 5th, it was Labor Day, or it was China's Labor Day holiday, which of course had some impact into the deliveries, had some impact into, of course, probably the production of these cars, which knowing or getting to see Neo producing over 30,000 or around 3,600 insurance registration makes me to be really excited because it looks like Neo is back on track in terms of delivering or reporting good insurance registration. So I'm very excited about this 3,600, and I think it will excite so many of the new investors. And you will know that still last week on Wednesday, Neo gave us, of course, their March deliveries where we saw them delivering, of course, year-to-date record-breaking deliveries of 15,620, which were pretty good. So more majority of these 30,000 life insurance registration, I will presume that they are coming from, of course, the first 2 days of last week, as those were the days that we wrap up the April month. So yeah, man, 3,600 is not that bad. Majority of those deliveries probably came from Monday and Tuesday. As from Wednesday, like I said, it was Labor Day until Sunday, which is something that, of course, it is to be noted. But regardless of that, Neo still pulled through 3,600. These are good insurance registrations, and to show you how tense these or how good these registrations are, when you see companies like Xpeng that sell mass market brands selling only just over 1,400, and yet Neo is scooping with its premium vehicle, scooping 3,600. It is something that is pretty exciting. I mean, even Zeka this week, delivery wise, they are almost the same as Neo because also they saw 3,600. And Zeka, again, they sell way cheaper cars than Neo, which is something that is pretty amazing, interesting to see. Neo still selling expensive cars and being able to scope this 3,600 NAV insurance registration we witnessed today for last week. So yeah, man, I'm very excited about this, and I just hope we could continue see the momentum growing for Neo. I mean, the way things are going, I'm confident that we can see, of course, some pretty good deliveries even for the month of May. We can see or expect to see record-breaking deliveries because it looks like, or it appears that the catalysts, the subsidies, the initiatives that not only these automakers have introduced, but China also has introduced to encourage people to buy these EV cars. Ladies and gents, it is proving that it's working, and chances are from now or from here, we are to expect good deliveries, which is something that is pretty amazing, pretty good, as that will boost or continue boosting the deliveries of Neo. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought to just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the likes button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you buy Neo for the very first time, it is always good that you do your own due diligence so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock, because Neo, it is a stock that can be quite volatile, which therefore requires to you to have done your due diligence or your own due diligence, so at least you don't get to panic sell sometimes when you see sharp falls, sharp drops, because it can happen sometime onto this stock. Although, yeah, I don't think it might be aggressive as probably what we've been seeing in previous months because of the kind of fundamentals we are seeing from Neo, because of the kind of sales that we are seeing Neo producing. This can only mean that from here onwards, there will be most of the days we'll see Neo, of course, surging rather than seeing Neo share price or stock price dropping sharply. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.